Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and I'm actually here with my third video for the ATC Cards Coins 2020 collaboration with Poetspice here on YouTube. Yeah, I can't believe it's our third week. So I'll have everybody's link down below. So Poetspice is hosting this collaboration every Monday in the month of August, just to showcase ATCs and ATC coins in our videos. And so I jumped on that because I love making ATCs, and today I wanted to share something new with, well, nothing new, but it's new to me. I just bought this gel plate. I don't know, I think I got it off of scrapbook.com, and I've never used a gel plate. This is a 6x6 gel plate, and gel press, sorry. And I made some papers. Well, that's not it. I just used different colors. I used, this is a cherry blossom. Let me bring you guys close. Sorry. Cherry blossom satin. This is from Target. I used antique white from Apple Barrel. And this is a dark bronze from Target as well. So it was interesting. I've never done the jelly plate. You just add paint to it, and then you use your brayer, and it comes out really cool. And I just messed up. Okay, so I made a coin and an ATC this time around. So I don't know if you can see in the background the jelly plate. Well, let me explain how I did it. I put paint on the jelly plate, and I just randomly added those three colors that I just showed you. And then I brayer it all. I spread it out on the press, I guess. And then this is a manila folder that I punched out, and I laid both of these to the the press, and it had a really cool effect because I did use some metallic paint. You can't really see it because I covered it up. I added a book page that I added some distress ink. I stamped, I used this Stampin' Up! That Dawn H Creates loves to use this, and I had to bring it out myself because it does add a little bit of something to your projects. And I forget what this set is called, but it's a 1997 set. I added some lace from the Dollar Tree, and then I punched out some butterflies from Martha Stewart. I used this one, and I used this one. I have it all here, and this one. And I punched it out of the paper that I had left over, and I punched it out of regular copy paper, and then I punched it again with regular cardstock right here, and just to make it have more stability. Then I went over it, or added the edges with the dark bronze that I used. And then here are some words that says, "Go and live your dreams." So I did this one. And then here's my ATC. It's the Same thing, same elements. I also put some bronze on the lace just to add some interest to it. And this one says, go and make some art. So I really love how these turned out for my ATC cards and coins for this week. So I want everybody to jump on over to all the collaborators down below and check them out, see what they've created this week. And I'll see you next Monday. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.